Ke Supercare Hospital Shillong, kadai ke hospital ke nyngkong haga Jylla Meghalaya, ban yo ya ke jingithuh ke pura, ke National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers. Ke Supercare Hospital la seng ya ka hausnem arhajar san da u Dr. Rangsan Hankeu, bat hausnem arhajar arpuwei hadin ke jingya ya u maumer ba khatn reusnem jing shakri jongka kalayo ya kajing ito na ka NABH entry level haga santarik upnai risau hajar arpuwe. Minta usnampat kalayo ya kajing ito ka pura ne ya kabala tip kum ka full nap ha ka arpu khandai terik upnai nailur hajar arpu ar. Kani kajing ito kan trekam hadu kalai pauterik upnai nailur hajar arpu hundreu. Kanap kadai ka kinhon jong ka Quality Council of India balabo ban penlong bat kmi yaki accreditation program naki program ai jing itho yaki jaka ai jing sumar. Kanap kadai ka hot jong ka International Society for Quality and Health Center ki hospital ba yo jing itho nakanap ki yo jing itho hakeleng ka perthai. Ki kerdan babo da kanap kidai menta ki kerdan kami babiang tam ya rukam traikam jong ki hospital ha India. Kidan art lagi kerdan rukam kami ki hospital allopathic kawai kadai ka full nap kabaya hap ki hospital ba ai jing sumar ba kerpang ne speciality but ki hospital ba sumar kham kerpang shushu ne ki tertiary care but ka way pat kadai ka entry level nap ka ba kami ki hospital ba khamrit ki bam don ki jing don kam ba ya ham mat ka kerdan full nap ki bawan pak sumar ki dei ki nong yo jing mentoy ba kratam na ka jing itho full nap bat ka entry level namar ba ka wanra ya ka jing sumar ka babha bat ka jing shingan ya ki ba sha sumar ki nong pang ki yo jing sumar na ki nong trei bala sha hi kai pentebit ya ki hok jong ki nong pang la buram bat yada ya ka jing sngohun ki ba pa sumar lakmi nakapor shakapor kini ki jing a jing itho ya karukam traikam jong ka hospital ki a jing mentoy ki nong trai ka hospital namar ki yai yo jing hikai ka jaka trairu bat ka jinglong nong yalam ka khambha bat nalor kini ka jinglong trai ki rukam sumar unong seng bat managing director Dr. Rangsan Singh Thankeu ulaong ka jingyo jing itho na ka nap kapan klan ye kajing yo i jinga jong ka Supercare Hospital ban bu ye ka rukam traikam ka babha ha ka jaka sumar ka jing pen koj bat ka jing suk bat kum juru ka mat traikam ka hospital ka Supercare Hospital ka don ye ka thong ban ai shi ki breu ka Meghalaya bat ka than chatai lam mingi ka India ye ka jing sumar ka bala ban shem ha baro ki jaka sumar ka jup ka ba minta hakeleng kari bat ka perthai
We are still proceeding forwards. We have no doubt we have attained that level, but we can still be more sure that we can still give a better hospital, a much better hospital, and we can compete at the international level. One thing we have the best equipment, which is a par at international standards now. We have made sure that the equipment here is at par with all the national or international hospitals in the world. There's one thing. So, and these equipment, all the equipment is calibrated every 6 months. NABH doesn't allow you to have equipment that's not calibrated up to a BP instrument. They make sure you have to give a report every 6 months that all the equipment in the hospital, whether it's a ventilator, monitor, an endoscope, a lab equipment, a blood pressure equipment, even a pulse oximeter has to be calibrated. And that is one of the things that NABH has really given us. You know, when we see that we are accredited to NABH, this is the thing that we have attained at all costs, that it will be 100% beneficial for the patient, because this indirectly it benefits the patient, that your equipment is running 100%. Any breakdown also in the hospital, any machine breakdown has to be documented and a report has to be given to NABH. Any breakdown in any equipment. So, and all the equipment in the hospital has to be guaranteed that is every minute that it is under a CMC. That means any machine, major machine breakdown or anything happens anywhere, even the ICU, within 24 hours, the company that has taken the maintenance has to come and fix it.